What's up, guys? If you guys saw the video last week, we now have Chris's 88 CRX SI. It's ready, everything is completely done, and it's running appropriately. So we decided to get out of the house today. We're gonna do a little run, my 88 CRX versus his 88 CRX. If you haven't seen any of my videos before, if it's the first time you're watching it, we've been working on this car over the last 5 months, and we did a lot of suspension work to it. Not really anything with the motor, but we just got it ready, and it's now ready for the November 17th track event, I'm sorry. But it's essentially completely stock, 88 SI, D16A6, 279-ish thousand miles, is that correct? 279? 279,000 miles on it. It has an intake, DC header, and that eBay exhaust. Now mine is also an 88 CRX, Y49 of course. Same engine, completely stock mods, a little less mileage on my engine though, 161,000. He's on some Koenig Heliums, 205/50 Kumo X to XS. And I'm on my NK CPS2s, 205/50 Nitto Neogens. My tires are just a little newer. His have a little bit more wear, but very similar sized. So after seeing the mods, what do you guys think is going to win? You think his chassis has a little more power with the extra bolt-ons? Or do you think mine having less mileage on is going to be a little stronger? We're going to go find out right about now.
Let's see.
How do you want to do it? You want to honk? You want me to honk?
You honk.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna roll my window up then.
Okay.
Hold on. I'm gonna rev and then I'll honk. I'm gonna just rev my motor up.
Okay.
Hey, you ready?
I was burning rubber, dude. I was a gripping.
That was badass. We're like so close. You gonna honk this time?
Okay.
Okay. Honk. Give me a second. launching at?
What?
What are you launching at?
Like 3?
You need to launch like it's 5 or 6.
That's when I spin tire.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get you if I launch again.
Alright.
Nah, you might want to keep it low then. Because if you're gonna spin, you're just gonna lose off the money.
Yeah.
You wanna honk?
You honk.
Okay.
Alright.
We're ready, Z. So much for that one. Why don't you honk? So that way you go when you're ready. Come on, baby. Let's go. And there it is, guys. So what did y'all think of the races today? We had a mother truckin' blast out there today, and it was so much fun just going about one another, especially when the car is so similarly powered. Everything's essentially stock. He just has the bolt-ons. But that was hella fun, and hopefully we'll get more videos like that in the future. Now, first race, obviously you can tell, spinning ain't winning. So I got him off the launch. His tires are a lot older, and he launched a little too high and just spun. After that, he just couldn't keep up and catch up and make up that ground just because the power was so similar. And then on the second run, he obviously corrected his mistakes from the first run, had a much better launch. We both had very similar launched, and he actually had a better launch than I did, obviously. Pulled on me, and he was just gone after that. And then on that third race, man, that was so close and so much fun. Obviously, you can tell from my reactions in the video. It was cool because we're all looking at each other and laughing and smiling. Such a fun time with hanging out with Chris and getting these races in. You could see our cars were similarly powered. He obviously has a little bit more top end and overall power, but it looked like in fourth gear, I thought I was possibly going to pull away, but it just didn't happen. Once we kept going a little bit more, he got that little bit of extra power at the end, and we were kind of topped out, I think close to 100 miles an hour in fifth gear right there. So obviously racing a lot longer than a quarter mile, but that one was so close that we had to settle the tiebreaker. And so he ended up going 2 wins, 1 loss, and I got that 1 win and 2 losses. And that'll be it, guys. Maybe next time if I have a DC header I want to throw on here, maybe an exhaust, maybe we can get out there and run again and see if it's just neck and neck next time. Right? You just kind of laugh. So that'll be it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed our little 88 CRX D16A6 battle. And we're excited to get this car at the track next. I'm excited to see how well it does out there, and hopefully we don't have any issues at all. See you guys next time. That's why you need to keep adjusting it. Like maybe try like 45 more.
But that time was 4.
Did it grab or no?
It was slipping.
Slipping?
So I'm gonna do like 28, 3.
I might get you on the line, just be gone.
better, I think I'll have a better line.
I think so too. I think you'd probably take me every single time if you had better tires.
They're just slipping like crazy.
Yes.